view. Ito na yung tingnan ni Sikyong.
Sikyong.
Good morning sa tanang.
Nagkatag yung nagpapang tawin.
Ha?
Nagkatag yung nagpapang tawin. Sabi nga nagpapang.
Buka diri yung kadto.
Sa ganini nga bridge na.
Select.
Select bridge. Ito ta jud gabi.
Kaya tatagabi diri ah.
Mabigat kanina ng gabi ini. Amazing ba? Ipapaulan ang bagtak o pinaktas.
Magdala ni mo alcohol ma.
Yan.
Kada na ko. Kaya mga yung
Layo giday pa sa simot may itudlo no. Ito ki o layo. Ito ki unahan lang. Lingkod na ako dito sa may tulay. Ito tinagyo ang kabuya ang bagtak.
sila sa SMC side. Pagpapa na siya diha.
Ang party kahiyon.
Ito na po sa ilang SM City diri sa Cebu. kayo ng bat. Gabo kayong butterfly. Hindi, alis sa trip eh. Ay, oo. Yan, dali be. Wow, ang butterfly na ko, butterfly. Oh, nagliw ka butterfly oh. Wala na. Nagliw kang butterfly. Palipay, gini. Ocean Park with a gun. Sure ni diri mo? Ngapon diri. Be, sure ni niya diri mo. Tulo dito, ato dito, ato dito kinag-video. Mia.
Bye-bye sa penguin. Bye-bye, penguin.
Bye-bye, Santa.
Okay, ready? One.
Tugot na. Iyan na lang. Wow, gwapo kayo mga butterfly diri guys. So pretty. Asan naman to sila?
Say hi to me. Bye! Ingat yung mga kayo, naka-front cam.
Bago diri ang outside, ano butterfly. Hi. Here.
Ito mo sabi mali.
Gunit may be, gunit may. Wow, kanindot. Wapo kayo. Ang feeling ng mga butterfly. Mia, dito na Mia.
Mga pagkaon ba itang
Tugusan na lang na siya. Jungle tree.
ang bibiro.
Ako ang last man ah.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Wait lang ma'am. Sorry.
Alex, picture ka mo, ma'am.
Wow, tagat ko sa fish. Uy, sabi ko ganun din. Picture dito, be, dito. Picture mo na lang may ikaw. Sige na. Picture mo may ikaw. Zuhos mo yung dito.
Hi, si Jen. Wow, big. Pero dagan tayong nagtanaw. Ano yan?
Asan pa na ganun?
Nawala.
Wala mo ako dito. Tago siya. Walay kuan. Walay nood.
Ulo ka dito. Ayan. Sa Gia.
Enjoy ka, amazing.
Nanay turtle. Wow, white fish.
Oh my
Look,
Yo, doon, no?
Sa ano naman siya outside. Ang Jo.
Na, isa na, di. Ano, di.
Kasi ilang ginakaon, the turtle. Heron. The vegetables.
Hi, Mama Inday! Ma!
Babay na sa turtle. Ito na kanya.
Oh, mono bird na.
Bird.
Wow, ala. Wow.
Guys, birdie.
Birdie
Oh, flying
bird na.
bird. Fish. Hi, fish.
Silver arowana, violet.
Dude, the
Wow, kadako sa fish.
Lisit no.
Tinted ba? Tinted.
Nakakit ka siya kayo. Poisonous. Hello! Arowana! Nakakit ka nasulot sa ilaw.
Ay, si Adrian? Wala mo si Adrian sa sulod.
Nagdatry ata sa gawas ma.
Sa gawas, matingali na.
Ito ano, niya left side. Katang dito pa.
Wow, amazing kailang mga isda, guys. Ano siya, goldfish. Tama ba?
Oh, wala din. Three, ano?
Lagi na kayo.
Hello, Pat.
Nagtago siya, guys. Ano siya na right there. Kalinis ka niya. Ano siya, guys? Sama na siya. Sama siya. Sama na. Ganyan mo yung pee. May kinahan lang siya. May kinahan ko pala yung pee niya. Dali na, dali na. Baba na. Labi niya. Hamster. Ano na, hamster? Ay, ganyan. Labi. Pag-indot sa yung
Brazilian tarantula. Mexican red meat tarantula.
Ay, siya dito.
Ano, natin na, Gino?
Team Red Dito. Tek. Hindi man, ano kung bitin ko yan. Pagunitan na na. Hindi na. Ano, pagunitan na ko lang. Pagunitan na ko yan. Sawa sa rais. Ay, nami din yan mag-ito. Kung siya ka ng ano, plastic na ko. Hindi, pipicture na. Hindi, ako picture na.
Yes, mag-picture na. Yan si Dory. Dory!
Ayaw sa electricity ah.
Dory! Dory! Dory!
Down.
Uy! Bataan na! Nasa Nemo. Nemo!
Agad lang ba?
Jen, nasa Dory. Si Dory yung si Nemo. Nemo!
Me. Nakay tubig mi?
Kamiya po madidi ra po nadala na mo. Sa taas siguro. Third floor daw. Balik na tadri niya. Balik na tadri niya. Kailan ako makabalik after? Dagan-dagan, kidagan kay tao diri ba? Niya kasabot kami ha. Dili magpabadlong ba? Ito yung sunset. Nagsugod na. Kika fish. Katu fish. Kika fish outro. Hi. Hi, Ma.
Wait, ito yung
Ay.
Yeah.
Ito na, video. Bawa ka ito na, yung bilo.
Bilong-bilong guys. Like tayo.
Look, it's the same one. Kumpano rin, kumpano. Hangs. Kapilme, Hangs. Kapilme. Nagpila man. Kasi mong kalugan na. Phone lang, phone. Ay, gini. Ah, gani, gini.
Fish, Mia. Fish. Babe, Mia. Mia, fish. Pink eye.
Penguin.
May penguin.
Ito si Mio. Hey! Ilang gate ka. Kanang laag nila sa Cebu, di niya kita na video. Wapo mo bukire kayo rin. Ha? Bugno pag ito na. Worth it sila na. Ang isa. Ang isa. Ka-testing na gug na Jin. Scuba diving. Amazing po kayo sa ilalong sa dagat. Mga po juga yun. Kaysa nang nani artificial. Kaya kita nga sa dagat, pinagbuhi juga yung mga corals ba. Wapo kayo.
Wala, tanawa na. Ako sila yung mga Christmas tree sa baba.
Gani.
Nice.
Artificial.
Present.
Niya Bren. Ay, dinihan ako. Ito. Kata ka. Nagligid-ligid na. Maklaro mo ka. Itong kay kata na. Ano ba siya? Alibi, tato. Wow. Steady. Mia. Ano to? Having jellyfish ya? Jellyfish. Hey, 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 hey.
Now I have here an object which is a wall. Now we are adding this object in one of these silver cups. Now as you can see, these cups are all empty. Now before we call in our psychic bird, let me ask you guys, where to hide this object? Is it on your left, right, or in the middle? Left, right, middle. Okay, let's put it right here. For her, say, you can do it, Goldie! Goldie! The hidden object. Mr. J, it's go. And she found it around the for Goldie. So earlier we introduced to you our
Hey.
types of parrots. Now we'll be introducing to you our three types of cockatoos. We have Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo, Tweety, our silver-breasted cockatoo, and Snow, our mollican cockatoo. Again, a friendly reminder to everyone, if our birds and trainers will roam around, please do not try to reach or touch the feathers of our birds. Thank you. Now, let's call it Snow, Nigel,
Ay,
and
bakante nito.
Tweety.
Init lang.
Init ang bata.
Alright, you're in trainer Mark. It's our Mollican cockatoo named Snow right there. Our trainer Jazzy is Sweetie, our silver crested cockatoon with Trainer Dre is our umbrella cockatoon named Angel. Okay, to start with, is Tweety right there, our silver crested cockatoon. Now Tweety has a yellow crest on its head. So mauna siya ang ilang crest na scientific name is cockatoon of Valeria. Up next, with Trainer Dre right there, is our umbrella cockatoon named Nigel. Now Nigel has a woolly white crest that races like an umbrella. Kumusta ka na yung crest, mula na siya ang umbrella. Now Nigel's scientific name is Kakatua alba. Now as you can see, Tweety and Nigel are almost similar, but they differ on their... And Australia. Now in Australia, they are known as seagulls. Here in the Philippines, they are locally known as Lawi or Banong in the Visayan region. Now if you're familiar with the type of bird right here, mauna siya ang nasa logo sa show ni Kuya Kim na Mata Lawi. And there you go, our Brahmanic kite named Kingdom. Up next is our largest raptor here in Cebu Ocean Park, presenting our white-bellied seagull named Aggie. Please look to your left. White-bellied seagulls can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia. They are characterized by its white head and body with gray feathers under its wings, forming a V shape. Medyo hangin ka lang. Hindi lang question si Aggie. And that's sweet for Aggie. Now in Australia, they are known as the second largest raptor with a wingspan of about 2.2 meters. Kaya ito na muna si Aggie ha. Now na siya. White-bellied seagulls primarily feed on sea snakes, sea turtles, and fishes. Sa painting mo ni si Aggie. Let's wait for Aggie. Aguila. Matalan niyo si Aguila. Honor agents, special ability, called magneto reception. Pwede ka na use magnetic field. And it allows them to better read their location, the altitude, and direction. So wherever they go, they will always go back to their nests. Now, guys, do you want more? Yes, now presenting our very unique bird here in Cebu Ocean Park, our Philippine rufous hornbill, named Duck. Now, the right here is locally known as Ayaw, or Clock of the Mountains. And it's because of the strange and loud booming tones of the room. And the right here is an omnivore. Okay, let's go to Autumn loves to jump from birch to birch, showing off its unique ability. And finally, Duke also is an excellent fruit catcher. Ketchup, let's go!
Tanan na, Bi. Layla.
Let's show them. Let's go. Now, sir, first. Right now, second trip. Now, ready your cameras? Let's will show you a trick. In the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Our Philippine rufous hornbill named Duck. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. Now who knows the 3 R's in proper waste disposal? It is the reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's right. Now let's call in our lovely bird to show how it's done. Earth is the only place to live, and that is why we have a responsibility to take care of it. Now by simple means like this, we can do change. We can reduce waste and reuse plastics and recycle everything we can. See if our birds get
Palitag na na, ilabay na naman.
Kaya ito pa nakubog si Agi. And let's wait for Agi. And let's go, Agi. And there you go, our white-bellied seagull named Aggie. Now, before we end our bird show, I would like to thank everyone who made this show possible. We have Trainer Mariel there as our DJ. We have Trainer Erwin with Tuck. We have Trainer Mark with Azul. We have Trainer Jazzy with Janet. We have Trainer Jay with Aggie. Now, before we end also our bird show, I want to invite everyone to have here a photo opportunity with the lovely birds here on stage. And photos can be taken from Bishop photographer right there. Again, if you want to have a photo opportunity with lovely birds, you can come down here and go at 9. So that is it, our bird show, and this is me again, Alton, your host. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Thank you for visiting Cebu Ocean Park. Once again, if you want to have a photo opportunity with lovely birds, please come down here and go at 9.
May tagkuhan, souvenir. Bawal lang sulog. Maka-exit na ko. Ano balik ka niyo?
Ay,
Souvenir.
kasi bawal. Pagawas na yan, ha?
Ha? Hindi bilang ko, ha? Wala na. Plus niya. Ano sa niya? Hindi, naka-picture. Souvenir.
time mo.
Hindi mo siya na inulit. Mga souvenir diri sa Ocean Park. City diri siya. City diri.
Our silver-breasted cockatoo.
Gina, Gina.
Hi.
Ay, mamaak din na siya.